pretend like it's like you're actually just speaking.
Okay.
I'm nervous.
Okay, we can always redo it if we mess up.
Well, I mean, it records for 15 minutes, and I can, cut it out, so.
Okay.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
I'm so nervous. Are you?
Okay. No, it's just, awkward, because, we're scripted.
I know, right? Okay. Okay, welcome to our podcast that is based on the controversy with the acne medication named Accutane. My name is Sam.
And my name is Madison. So, Accutane is very controversial, mainly because of the side effects that it could have on people. But it also is often prescribed by doctors because of the amazing help it can do for your skin.
One of the main side effects talked about is the birth defects that the medication can cause when you're pregnant. One of the experts on our podcast, Dr. Schultz from the University of Minnesota, who will be able to answer the question about, or will be able to answer in more depth about the. Okay, I'm gonna start that sentence over. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. One of the main side effects talks about is. Oh my god. Okay. Start over. I worded this weird. One of the main side effects is birth defects if you take this medication when you're pregnant. So one of our experts on our podcast, Dr. Schultz, who's from the University of Minnesota, will be able to answer more questions about the birth defects that this medicine has and more side effects for Accutane later in the podcast.
So today we have our three guests, Dr. Schultz, like Sam said, who's a dermatologist, Scott Irvin, who has taken Accutane recently, and Julia Ruby. Ruby. Okay, I'm just gonna start over. Okay.
Julia Ruby.
Okay, I'm starting over.
That's the easiest last name.
Oh no, okay, I got this. Okay, so today we have three guests, Dr. Schultz, like Sam said, who's a dermatologist, Scott Irvin, who has taken Accutane recently, and Julia Ruby, who has not taken the drug but has very strong views towards it. We have many questions for all three of our guests, but the main question we are working towards answering is, what are the risks and the benefits of Accutane, which will easily be answered by all of our guests today.
So let's invite our first guest, Scott Irvin.